Guys, as you see, this is one of key ingredients also. I have 1 egg whisk where I'm gonna go ahead and have it brush. You're gonna have that brush, guys, because you want to have that crispiness right through the patty. Just brushing them, guys. And then I'm gonna show you a next technique, guys, for the oven. So guys, for the patty, to let it steep, you want to go ahead and have poke 1 or 2 holes for baking purposes. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'm going to put it in the oven and you all see the finished product.